In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate QuickBooks to view the accounts receivable aging summary. This handy tool gives a comprehensive look at which clients owe you money and how overdue those payments are. It's an essential feature for managing your business's cash flow. Let's get started on how you can access this feature. First, open your preferred web browser and go to QuickBooks Online by entering the URL into the address bar. If you haven't already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials, your email and password, to access your QuickBooks account. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the QuickBooks homepage, where all your financial tools await you. Now, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll find a vertical menu bar here filled with different options. Look for the tab labeled Reports and click on it. This section is your go-to place for a wide range of reports that provide financial insights into various aspects of your business. Reports are vital tools that can offer a clear overview of your finances, helping you make informed decisions. Once you're in the Reports section, notice the selection of report categories. Here, we'll want to focus on Standard Reports. Clicking on Standard Reports will present you with a menu packed with structured reports that are predefined and ready to use. These pre-formatted financial statements save you time and provide consistency in your analysis. Within the Standard Reports menu, look for the Accounts Receivable Aging Summary report. It's typically displayed alongside other key financial reports. This particular report will break down outstanding payments from your clients, organized by how overdue the payments are. It's a crucial piece of information for managing your receivables and maintaining a steady cash flow. Click on the Accounts Receivable Aging Summary option. This action should generate the report and display it in a new window or tab, depending on your browser settings. Now you have detailed information at your fingertips, showing you exactly who owes you, how much, and for how long those payments have been outstanding. This insight can be instrumental in prioritizing your collection efforts, ensuring that your cash flow remains uninterrupted. To enhance your experience, remember that you can customize this report as necessary to fit your business needs better. Adjust the date range, group your data by customer, or even export the report to Excel for further analysis. Playing with these customization options can make your financial review processes even more robust and tailored to your specific business. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to accessing and utilizing the Accounts Receivable Aging Summary in QuickBooks. Make sure to regularly review this report to stay on top of your finances and keep a close eye on those receivables. Thanks for watching, and I hope this has been helpful. Feel free to explore more of what QuickBooks has to offer, and happy accounting!